Crypto Underground is back with another video, and today I have discovered a completely new Doge type of meme coin, which is in the early access phase, guys. It is called MaxiDoge, so we're gonna have a look into this new coin that I have discovered, and that also in different crypto websites it is already mentioned. So we're gonna have a look into that, guys. Welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our nice little crypto family is growing every day, guys, and thank you very much for your great support. And of course, always leave a like, leave a comment, because at 2,000 subscribers we are going to do a nice giveaway, probably $100 worth of meme coins, guys. If that sounds good to you, then make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Check out all links in the video description, for example, to the next upcoming low market cap coins that I'm buying up, such as MaxiDoge, which we're gonna cover in today's video, of course. And also, if you want to sign up to an exchange that you like Bybit, Binance, Maxi Global, and so on, where currently we also have this very special 1 million price pool that is waiting here for you guys. If you're trading Solana, do that on Maxi Global. Sign up link, of course, in the video description, and here you can see 400% API, no fees to be paid, Solana spin fest, and so on. They have a very special month here for Solana going on right now, so sign up to Maxi Global. You can start to trade even without KYC, nothing here, immediately Solana, and then of course also profit from this event on Maxi Global. The link to Maxi Global I'm gonna put at the top, guys, and of course here you're gonna find the link and also the link to MaxiDoge, which I'm buying up right now, guys. A completely new meme coin is upcoming. This is in the early access phase, so remember, guys, it takes a very long time until those new coins are coming out. But if this one is coming out in the next coming weeks and months, then of course we can expect here big things. And remember, guys, everything that we are covering in this video and in every other video is all no financial advice. Of course, they are high risk. Of course, here in the crypto space, everything is high risk. You can lose everything. But with those meme coins, you can see how people got a lot of money, of course, doing those meme coin stuff here, buying and selling all the time, or just buying and hodling, like you could do, for example, on SPX 6900. You can see what happened here. This coin, of course, went completely through the roof here since launch, basically. And of course, we are hoping that also MaxiDoge will do that. So everything is no financial advice, guys. Of course, I'm just sharing everything that I'm discovering, that I'm buying, that I'm selling with you guys. And of course, that's why we are here, to discover new meme coins, new potential 100x coins, and of course, everything that is going on here in the crypto space. Every now and then I'm showing also some trades that I'm doing, but right now you can check out Maxi Global, guys, because this is the newest one that currently it is very hyped on different crypto websites. Here also directly ranked number 2, since it is supposed to be kind of a new Doge type of meme coin. And you can see that the final form of Doge is this one over here, the ultimate evolution of dog themed meme coins. Here we have 25% of supply goes to future partnerships and events, and also this is a proof of workout or proof of winning maximum meme and boy demand. So here we have a completely new meme coin that is upcoming, guys. And the cool feature about this one here is that you can stake it for an insane high API. So the price per token currently is a fraction of a cent. That means that here we can buy a lot. So click the link in the video description and then click here connect wallet, because you need a wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase, and so on, where you can connect to your DeFi wallet, the website. Basically, here you can see the connection. I just click OK to connect to the website, and then I can interact with my DeFi wallet here with the website. Of course, you can also use your card if you want, but I like to use my my cryptos, and that's why I click here buy with crypto, and then I can select the token that I would like to use, for example Tether on the Ethereum chain. And then I just click here the amount that I would like to buy. This is the amount that I'm going to receive. And then I just click buy and stake for 1,811%. And then as soon as you do the transaction, you're going to see the window here asking you if you want to do the transaction or not. You always are asked if you want to buy or sell here whenever you are interacting with your DeFi wallet. And then you click OK. And then you are going to buy the tokens. And they are going to go into the staking mechanism, which gives you right now 1,811% rewards, which is of course a lot. You can see I bought yesterday 400,000 coins, and I have almost the half of it 140,000 now already as a reward, and that is because of the high API. And this coin here, it is supposed to reward early access buyers basically here directly with this high staking reward, and that's why currently I'm buying up this coin and of course waiting for the launch. I keep you updated on this one here as well, guys. You can also do some stuff here on the website of course as well, so you can interact here with the website and also check out everything, also their social media platforms and so on. Here on X and Telegram you can access to it. Let's have a look into it. I'm bullish for those new meme coins, guys, because I believe that we are entering into a very huge altcoin season, and that's why normally all new low market cap coins, they are doing great of course during that time, and hopefully also this one here will do. No one can tell you what the future will bring. You can of course always lose everything. You can also win a lot. Everything is possible with those new meme coins, guys, but we can accumulate more and more coins right now. And of course I'm following up their channel now as well, and I keep you updated here as soon as I see new stuff coming up, guys. This is a completely new one, and you can see that it's already mentioned in different crypto websites like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900 and so on. I bought into all of them, guys, so if you want to get access to it, all links are here. Stay safe, use the official links from MaxiDoge, Token 6900, Bitcoin Hyper and so on. I bought into all of them. I'm very bullish for all of those new coins that are coming out, especially whenever they have a utility behind it, like Token 6900 has completely no utility. This is just about a meme printer, nothing else. But Bitcoin Hyper is going to have a utility. This is going to be the next layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, hopefully, because here we are able then to do meme coins, payments, dApps and so on top of Bitcoin. Big project, guys, raised over 6 millions already. Insane hype on Bitcoin Hyper, of course. This one is also one that I bought, and of course also I'm staking the coins right now, because also here the API is still high. You can see that I have much more coins than I purchased here, and the same we can do of course also with this new MaxiDoge. And also don't forget about Pepto, guys, because Pepto also still is very cheap to buy right now, and the staking reward still very high. Of course, also here we have a lot of updates every day coming up. As you can see also here, they are pushing hard on their social media platform. They're doing everyday posts here, and they're very active. So I think it's just about time that they are most likely going to bring out an announcement here as soon as they are going live or the token is coming out. Also on Yahoo Finance, you can read about Pepto that is now of course raising a lot of funds, and this brings always a lot of attention to all investors. And also with Pepto, we can buy at extreme cheap price. Many of them stake it for a high API and then just wait for the launch. So easy this. And here also we have the Pepe themed meme coin and also utility behind it, because this is going to be used on their Pepto swaps, on their DeFi exchange on top of Pepto. So check it out, guys. We have a lot of new projects coming up. There is even this DXRP, the first ever decentralized exchange on top of XRP, that is upcoming as well. So also we have on XRP, even on XRP, guys, new projects are coming out, and this makes me of course even more bullish for such new projects as well. You can check it out with the link in the video description. Even for the DXRP, guys, we are currently in this stage here at 4 cents, listing price 35 cents. You can see where we are right now in this phase here until the launch price. So check them out. The links are here in the video description to all of those new projects. I am bullish, guys, and I am positioning myself right now before the monster altcoin season that I believe will be upcoming soon, and therefore I of course also want in my crypto portfolio some low market caps before they're launching on exchanges, which you can find here. And let me know, what do you think about MaxiDoge, guys, because I think that MaxiDoge also is a good coin to have right now, just because of this high API that it's giving to you. All right, guys, so remember, everything, no financial advice, just my own opinions. Everything can happen with those new coins. I am bullish, and of course be subscribed here. Our crypto family is getting bigger and bigger. Also check my X account right here, guys. It's my X account. Go and sign up there as well. Of course, check out all links, and also sign up to Maxi Global, especially if you want to buy Solana. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.